Hello, everyone. This is a small PowerPoint and a little snippet from YouTube that I found about the Native Americans and what they had to deal with in the 19th century. The first topic, I'll talk about the expansion, the removal, and the reservation system that the Indians had to go through. So the whites pushed Indians aside from their land as they moved to the south. Through trickery and conquest, they forced tribes off their land. Americans had demanded the removal of the Indian tribes in the South. The U.S. government took the land with the promise to pay annuities in return and put Indians' lands on reserve for their use. Indians who touched the pen in 1851 preserved their land and culture in face of the white onslaught. So basically what they're saying is that the white was trying to make amends for the Indian culture, but in all honesty, they did not care for the Indians because they wanted to have the power for themselves. So this is what started to lead to war with the Indians and the white settlers. So Indians did not want the white settlers settling on their land. They tried fighting back and resisting the onslaught of the whites, but failed. They were always outnumbered due to the white gunpowder, and bringing their disease over also made them vulnerable and weak. They tried making peace and making treaties with the whites, but was overlooked and still treated poorly and unfairly. In the words of the holy black man, Black Elk, wherever we went, the soldiers came to kill us. So the whites did not care if the Indians were women, children, old men, or women. They did not care. They just wanted to have the land to themselves and treated them as they were just savages and killed them on sight. A few of the wars that was brought up was Red Cloud's War and the Fight of Black Hills, and also the Battle of the Little and Big Horn was a few of the wars the Indian went through. This is a picture that I found basically demonstrating how the Indians and the whites was trying to come to an agreement over their land. To civilize the Indians, the U.S. government forced to assimilate their children. This is when a new policy gained favor and it promised to put Indians on parts of the land. This forced them into farming, like as the African Americans did for the whites, and give the remaining land to the white settlers. The Indians still resisted, contested, and adapted to colonial rule, regardless of the circumstances they were put into. So if you follow my screen on YouTube, here is a little small snippet that I found.